Hello guys, welcome to the next video on JavaFX tutorial for beginners. In the last video I've shown you how to use line chart in JavaFX. So when I click this button, it's going to load this kind of a line chart. Now for example, I want a line chart with multiple lines. So this is only one line chart, but for example I want multiple line chart. How can I do it? Let's see. So I'm going to continue with my last example which I have shown you, which is this example in which I was creating a XY chart series and then adding it to the chart using this button method. Okay, so I'm going to add the new code to this button method itself. So this was one line. So to add multiple lines, what you can do is you can just copy the same code for the series and then once again paste it here. So you have two instances of series, right? And let's say this is series 1 variable, and just replace this everywhere in the second series, and then you can change the values here. Okay, so for example 400, 100, 800 and 500. Okay, so this is our second line series, and let's change the legend value also. For example, this is pay 1 and this is pay 2. Okay, and to add this new series to the line chart, what you can do is you can just keep this code linechart.getData, but in here instead of using add, you must use add all. Okay, so just use add all, and then you can add multiple series here. So series and then series 1 variable. Okay, now save your code and run it once again. And when I click this load chart button, it's going to give you the two line series. Okay, and you can see the legend here, pay 1 and pay 2. In the same way, if you want a 3 line chart, what you can do, you can just paste it once again, then series 2, and just copy it here once again, and then change the values, for example here, and 650 for example, and this will be pay 3, and then add this series 2 to your chart, something like this. Okay, save your code and run it once again, and now you have a chart with 3 lines. Okay, so in this way you can add multiple line chart in JavaFX. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and bye for now.